Alright, I have just a few more questions for this particular section. And on this one, we've got some decimals as well as a fraction. We're not going to worry about the fraction. We're going to get rid of the 1.8, the positive 1.8, by putting a negative 1.8 on both sides. We're going to get a negative 6 when we put those together. And we have an m over 2. We can go ahead and create that proportion and cross multiply. That would give me 1 times m, which is m, and 2 times negative 6, which is negative 12. Again, we're going to go ahead and get rid of the minus 3 by adding 3. We're creating that 0. X over negative 4 equals 13. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create a proportion and cross multiply and solve. 1 times x is x. 4 times 13 is 52. A negative times a positive is a negative. My last problem for this section looks like this, where it asks me to write and solve an equation to describe the situation. It says the shipping charge is $3 and 5 CDs were purchased. The total charge was $63. How much was each CD? So we definitely have this amount that we were charged, $3. In addition to that, we paid for 5 CDs. Now we don't know the cost of those CDs, so I'll put a C there for the cost. 5 times something, maybe it was $5. Well, that would be 5 times 5, which is 25. That's not going to get me to 63, but our total is equal to 63. If I solve this equation, I would get rid of the 3 by putting a negative 3 on both sides. When I'd subtract, I'd get 60 and I'd divide by 5, and I'd get C is 12. So each CD cost $12.